Whether you're a barber, dog groomer, or a parent using clippers at home, keeping your electric clippers clean is essential and straightforward. To clean the blades, you can remove them for soaking in a cleaning solution, or just wipe them down with the blade attached, ensuring the clipper body stays dry. A quick brushing with a stiff brush or toothbrush will remove hair clumps, while soapy water or barbicide can be used for deeper cleaning and sanitizing. For a fast clean, clipper cooling sprays work well between cuts. At home, you can soak blades in 70% isopropyl alcohol or distilled white vinegar for sanitization. Remember to lubricate the blades afterward to maintain their functionality, and use canned air to clear any dust or hair when necessary. Regular maintenance not only prolongs the life of your clippers, but also ensures a smooth experience for your clients or family.